Good morning, boomers. The voice of the blockchain here. Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest. Champagne Crypto, thanks for tuning in. Guys, today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero. The rest of the cryptos appear to be gaining weight. Are they headed northward? Today we'll be talking about that. But first, let me send a big shout out to all the Champagne Crypto maniacs that are pouring in to this live stream. The energy continues to rise. We won't stop. We can't stop. Hashtag P. Diddy. Kaboom. All the buttons. The like, the subscribe, the post notification bell. Let the globe know that you're in the box with Champagne booming with the best of them as the rest of the maniacs pour into the box. Marcelo, Marlon, Cripzillionaire, Lou Y, I see you out there. We got snipers gathering on the field. Kaboom right now. Make sure you have those cryptos on the target of your sniper crosshairs, guys. It looks like things may be turning towards the green field, green pasture. Sprinkler Ninja stepping in, Mike Pfeiffer stepping in, Paolo stepping in, guys. The energy is right. We are looking like 300 by the end of the year. If you're not getting up early, if you're not sharpening your crypto blade, if you're not intermittent fasting, if you're not lifting more weight on the barbell, I need you to do it right now. Feel the energy, feel the crypto word, and make sure you're booming with the best of them. Let's check out today's mathematics as the markets are turning green, guys. It looks like we may have a little swell here of some positive energy, and I want to feed on it right now. I want to feed on it. Let's do it right now. Press the like, the sub, the post notification. I need you molesting all the buttons here on YouTube just in case we're being shadow banned by these lefty organizations. We need to stay vigilant out there. Charles has stepped in the box. Sprinkler Ninja has stepped in the box. We are gathering the platoon members worldwide. If you're just tuning in, Bitcoin, Ether, Monero appear to be gaining weight and may be headed northward. We're feeding off the positive energy this morning. Kaboom the likes. Shout out to the snipers there in the foxhole. Let me share my screen with you maniacs. And let's get this party started as we preheat the oven. Indeed, this is a live stream, live, unscripted, unedited. All the boomers want to boom how we boom. Let them watch the boomers, how we do, how we take the field, how we wave our flags, and we push the line back forward, claim back our ground. Charles, he says, yeah, man, what's up? Not getting notifications for some reason. Guys, tune in to Champagne in the morning. Champagne in the morning and championship gains in the morning. We won't stop. We can't stop. The energy's right. It looks like the live stream health as far as the YouTube connection may be a little slow out there, but bear with me. It looks like they're throwing grenades on the modems. We will continue to push that line forward. Good morning to Special Ed Andrew, Cryptozillionaire, Kaboom the like. David Tilbrook is in the house. We have over 12 boomers just entering, and if you're entering the box, welcome. Good morning to you. We're feeding off the good crypto energy. It appears like the markets may be taking a turn for the green momentarily. Let me hit refresh here on the coin market caps and see how healthy the markets are looking today. Kaboom, market caps at $198 billion, $198 billion there on the market caps worldwide. Bitcoin dominance has decreased. Bitcoin dominance has decreased to 56.3%, which is possibly a thumbs up out there. It looks like perhaps the altcoins could be growing. We said, things would hit 60%, but right before they hit 60%, it looks like it retracted. You never know in crypto. You never know if that storm is going to blow hard or not. You need to be prepared. Always have one in the chamber. Always stay ready out there. Be responsible for your own bag and stay booming with the best of them. Cryptonomicon's in the house. David Tilbrook is in the house. Marlon Jones, Bulls on the blocks are in the house. Sorry, baby bear cubs. No 3K bits indeed. Baby bear cubs, I see you out there. You're not getting that 3K. You're not getting that 4K. The boomers are here. We're pushing the line forward. We're going to snipe those baby bears right out the box. Those funny bunnies right out the box. Snipe them out the box indeed. Boom! I see CryptoZilla this morning. I see Cryptonomicon. I see the anonymous maniacs out there making sure they're keeping their blade sharp. Let's check out today's mathematics. 6472, 6472, up 2%. Ether, back over 200, up 15%. Ripple, trash bags. Bitcoin Cash is up as well, 447. EOS, 507. Stellar at 20 cents. Litecoin, kaboom, the lights. Let there be lights, up 10% in the past last 24 hours, Litecoin seems to be taking at least a little bit of creatine. I'm not sure if it's done the testosterone injections just yet, but it's taking a little bit of creatine and it's doing what it can. Tether at 99. Monero, possibly the last true peer-to-peer electronic currency out there, guys. Stay focused on Monero. Champagne has been telling you guys, stick to the crypto ethos out there. Privacy and freedom for all the boomers worldwide. Cardano at 6 cents. Dash at 193 and IOTA at 57 cents. Then, you got Tron here slipping in the rankings at 1 cent, but Tron is up 13% today. So shout out to my Tronaholics out there. David Tilbrook is in the house. Cryptonomicon is in the house. CryptoZilla is in the house. We have 5-star generals here waving their flags, ready to hold this line out there. We can't stop. We won't stop. Hashtag P. Diddy and the whole crypto bad boy family. David Tilbrook says, we love you, Champagne. We love you as well. Champagne loves all the maniacs out there that are continue to hold the bits down worldwide. I'm sending out the positive energy. I hope you feel it out there worldwide on the networks, guys. Let's check out some positive headlines over here from CoinDesk. Bitcoin price looks north. I make sure you got your magnetic compasses out there, and it looks like the magnetism is driving us higher and higher out there, okay? Bitcoin is teasing a decent bullish move, having cleared crucial resistance a few hours ago. It appears like Bitcoin is doing that overhead press, pushing that weight overhead, leading crypto move past 64 earlier today, signaling bearish exhaustion. The bears are exhausted out there. They don't have the stamina like we bulls do out there. Guys, if we just continue to hold this line, we could drive and smoke out these little baby bears and funny bunnies out the hole. Notably, the positive price action was preceded by a solid defense out there of the long-term trend line connecting the June low and August 11th. They're even talking about us out here. We have a solid defense, is what they're saying worldwide about the boomers. So Champagne's excited. How high could this go? We're gunning for perhaps 68 or 7 within the next few days. But again, we never know. You never know. That's why crypto is an excitement like no other, and it's a boom like no other. We are higher than we were last year, crypto maniacs. For all those doomers and gloomers out there, we don't need them. We don't believe them, guys. Let's throw them here in the population of the chat box. Let's get them off the soy. Let's get them pushing weight and raise their T levels out there. I need your T levels raised. I have no soy boys in the box out here. We're going to throw them, all of them out. BTC looking like 300 Spartacus moment for BTC. Guys, if you're not looking like 300 by the end of the year, I need you to do it now. I recommend some programs out there. Champagne's been doing his best to self-improve. Yesterday, we talked about the points, self-improvement out there. I need you guys focus on the improvements worldwide. I've been doing the strong list 5x5 workout and doing the keto diet out there, doing my best to keep the blade sharp. I need you looking like this by the end of the year. Shout out to the boomers out there. Let's check out Bitcoin's charts and see how it's looking. Very healthy. Let's pull back here 3 months on them. As the boomers tune in, Marlon Jones, Bulls on the Block, CryptoZilla says, always got to be ready to charge the line out there. And David Tilbrook says, we love you, Champagne. Shout out to Charge, Special Ed, David Tilbrook, and the rest of the boomers out there. Guys, make sure you're touching the like button, the subscribe, the post notification, all the buttons out there. Make sure you're tuned into the good crypto word out there. Indeed, indeed. Make sure you're following me over there on steemit.com, steemit.com/@ChampagneCrypto. Make sure you're focused on all the latest videos, Bitcoin gains, Bitcoin Dogecoin, Monero waves. It looks like it's been a Monero couple of weeks out there. Bitcoin bear feast, but for how long? Not too long, apparently. Follow me there on Steemit, although Steemit's been losing some gains out there. It's worth your time. You've been on the Facebook too long. You've been on the gram too long. Make sure you're getting at least a penny or two for your comments out there, crypto boomers. And if the markets do swing back, you never know. Maybe that'll gain some weight as well. Mike Pfeiffer is in the building. All the good news and real adoptions. That's what's going on. If not, it's not if we're going to boom. It's when. The bulls are coming. Everybody is here early. Gonna be some life-changing wealth for the strong hands indeed. Shout out to Mike Pfeiffer, one of the snipers out there in the foxholes. I'm here listening, bro, says Special Ed Andrew. Good morning, Special Ed Andrew. I see you out there. All the boomers worldwide. We got a green on the live stream health. I was letting you guys know yesterday, and it appears like the last few weeks or month, Champagne, every time I'm going online now, it seems like they're throttling the kid out here. The streams are not coming through correctly. I don't know if it's on my side with Xfinity and Comcast, or if it's on the commie side here with YouTube and the MSM media, or they're colluding with both. I just don't know. I want you guys to know what the facts are worldwide. Did you see Tone Vase versus Roger Ver debate on the cruise? Been on the tube. These guys are clown man babies. We need new ambassadors for crypto. I did see the debate out there, and they both make points, and let the guys talk. Let them do what they got to do. I mean, I don't have any personal problems with either of the men out there speaking their mind, and some may call them clowns, but they've been around in the space, so we got to respect the elders. Okay, respect the elders of the crypto space. So Champagne says let them live, but Marlon Jones says champ for BTC president. Perhaps we're gonna have to infect these guys with a little more testosterone out there so that we can continue to raise the markets. Special Ed Andrew says, well, I got a bell. You was on live. Okay, so Special Ed Andrew did get his post notification bell. Okay, that's good. That's good. I like that. So it's not, entirely doom and gloom. There is some people that are getting their post notifications. I like to hear that as well. Yo, Champa, if I hear another YouTuber taking your slang, says Cryptonomicon, they're out there. They're tuning in silently to Champ. They're trying to pick up on some of that crypto slang out there. And, while I should be happy about it, sometimes it's they should be giving us credit out here. It's not just Champ, it's the rest of the boomers here in the population, the chat box, that should be getting credit as well. But we'll take it as a thumbs up. We'll take it, what's the word I'm looking for? We should be flattered. That's the word. We should be flattered out there. Crypto Zillionaire says soy boys. Throw them in the garbage, says Crypto Zillionaire. Guys, I've been letting you know, I need you raising your T levels, eating more eggs every day, eating more meats out there. I know some vegans don't like that, but do the knowledge. I was letting you guys know yesterday about some YouTube videos I was watching about ex-vegan interviews. I have it linked in my last video. A lot of ex-vegans out there, they've had it. So, I'm not taking shots at any of the vegans out there, but I invite you guys to look at a different alternative out there. The MSM's been lying to us, and you don't want to get stuck in an echo chamber out there. And I'm questioning if some of this veganism is just virtue signaling. That's the big question out there. But that's what it is. Shout out to Namicon, Zillionaire, Ed Andrew, Marlon Jones, Bulls on the Block. If you're just tuning in, it's the voice of the blockchain here. Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto, Bitcoin, Ether, Monero gaining weight and headed northward. You could see that it looks like nothing but green on the field, green on the pastures here. We got Nano up 41%. Nano Ray blocks out there at $2.40. We have Aurora up 39%. I've never heard of Aurora. If you know about that, let me know. We got AI on. Champagne has covered that in previous videos. You can go ahead and search Champagne AI on. This is another third generation blockchain that's in competition with Ethereum. I would throw it in a similar category to Cardano, EOS, and some others. This one's up 22% today. I would keep an eye on AI on as well. You got Decentraland. This is another coin that we've covered here. Decentraland is a virtual reality out there, if I'm not mistaken, a whole entire world where with using the mana token, you could go ahead and interact within that world, buy land, or get goods and services within that virtual world. I invite you guys to check it out. And this is actually another blockchain genre, I would call it, that to keep your eyes on. The special augmented reality coins, the gaming coins, as well as the privacy and decentralized exchanges. Those are the three categories or genres or whatever you like to call it that I would definitely stay focused on for the future. Gaming, privacy, and DEX exchanges out there. I think that those are undervalued out there. Waves, we talked about that yesterday. Waves just announced another smart contract platform out there. We definitely spoke about that yesterday. Waves is at 250. It's up 20%. Archain, I don't know much about that. Verge is back up in the markets at 1 cent, up 18%. Now, Verge, arguably, took the route of a shitcoin after being, propped up by Pornhub or the other deals that they have. But now it's, coming back up. So, Verge touts privacy. I don't know how true or not true that is. I think Verge uses the Tor networks, and some argue that Tor has already been compromised by the powers that be in the entrances and exits. So I don't know. I don't have a bag of Verge, and I'm not that much attracted to it. But at the same time, I'm not gonna trash talk it. Wan Chain is another one I don't know much about. 91 cents. This one was shilled for a while, but I didn't do much research. Basic attention token, the BATS. Okay, this is another one that we've talked about here. This is a Brave browser. This is a token that allows users to monetize their web surfing and block ads. Okay, and then finally you got Monero. I've been talking about that. And then Icon, the Korean Ethereum. Someone there in the population of the chat box yesterday was mentioning Icon as one of those tokens that may stick around for the long run. I've done some research on Icon. I believe I have a video circulating out there, Champagne Crypto Icon, if I'm not mistaken. Check that out. BAT is good, says Cryptonomicon. Indeed. And BAT was on the list of Coinbase list of 5 coins that they may list on Coinbase, including BAT, Cardano, 0x, Zcash, and there was another one. Now I'm kind of forgetting it, but BAT is one that I would definitely keep an eye on. Mike Pfeiffer says, I've been talking about Nano. It's a boomer, was hit hard, but it's super fast. Just got a great Britain fiat gateway today. Next up, USD Nano on the ramp. Okay, thanks for letting us know. I didn't know about that, Mike. I didn't know about that. Marlon Jones says Elastos is a game changer. 100K Elastos television sold last month. Only crypto with working products selling and making money. Okay. I know you've been a bull out there with Elastos, Marlon, and we've mentioned Elastos a few times. I think I even did a video about Elastos. Has Elastos been listed by more exchanges? That's the one that I'm waiting for. And if and when that happens, I would expect a boom because I've heard nothing but good things about it. Sprinkler Ninjas mentioning Stellar. Stellar's one that I don't really focus on that much, being that it's Ripple's little cousin, but I'm giving it a pass out there because it's been performing well, and some people have been talking good about that, but I'm not particularly attracted to it. On pace to have 1 million units sold by year end, Marlon Jones is talking about Elastos products. Okay, I need to look at that a little bit more. Elastos is his favorite altcoin right now, says Cryptonomicon. So you got Nomicon and Marlon Jones agree there. Okay, yeah, Elastos, there's definitely some bullish attitude there with Elastos. Now, Elastos is on KuCoin. Okay, let's check that out. Let's check out Elastos and see how it's looking. I did a whole video about this. And mainly Marlon's been bullish on it. I know Marlon's been popping up here in the population telling me, champ, Elastos, key, stay focused. So, I checked it out. And it's looking sexy. CoinEgg and Huobi. Okay, so it's not necessarily on KuCoin yet that yeah, it is. There it is, number 6. Okay. That's interesting. I would keep an eye on this one, guys. Keep an eye on this one. I said Stellar when you said which other Coinbase mentioned they might add. Sprinkler Ninja added. Okay, yeah, I think you're right. I think you did said that. Elastos uses Bitcoin merge mining. Okay, I didn't know that either, says Karan Bell. So this is why I tune in every day live with the population of the chat box. It's each one teach one. I don't know all the answers out here. Karan has let us know about Elastos using Bitcoin merge mining. Marlon Jones was one of the first to really start pushing that Elastos. Elastos created merge mining and struck a deal with Bitmain so ASIC miners will be able to mine Bitcoin and Elastos. Okay. This is good information. I didn't know about that. 17 on the live stream right now. Guys, make sure you're touching all the buttons, the like, the subscribe, the post notification bells out here. It looks like Bitcoin, Ether, Monero are gaining weight out there and possibly headed northward, contrary to most people's belief out there. Everybody was talking about things were going down a sub 5K, and I've been telling you guys, I'm not believing the hype at all when it comes to these sub $5,000 price predictions out there. I'm not believing the hype, okay? And I've been telling you that all summer, and so far we've been right. So, you know, like I said, the lowest I see it goes 58. Check out the 6 months charts here on the bits. I would say for the next bull run, here checking out the charts, the next bull run, we need to top 74. Okay, this last high. Okay, this would signal, in my opinion, that things are going to go back to, you know, towards 8,000. Shout out to Mike Pfeiffer. Kaboom out there. $4.99 in the super chat. Champ, you get me hype, man, especially on green days. Thanks for spreading the good crypto word. By far my favorite crypto YouTuber. Mike, I appreciate it out there. Mike's one of our snipers out there in the foxhole, sending love here on the super chat, dropping a little fiat out there, and making sure that Baby Champ gets an extra organic formula. I appreciate that, Mike Pfeiffer. Shout out to you. Bit Papa says these baby bear coins are pumping fake right now, Champ, says Bit Papa. That may be true, Bit Papa. Right now, I mean, I'm mostly focused on those blue chippers and on the bits. But, you know, everything follows the bits and the blue chipper. So it could be that they're just following the lead, you know, following the leader out there. Hashtag rock him. This is a big deal, guys. I could see companies like Apple using Elastos running on runtime in their devices. Okay, okay. Shout out to Dolphin134. Kaboom out there. And we're back, and we're back. I just want to shout out to Special Ed Andrew. Kaboom! Another sniper there in the foxhole showing love. We got the super chat open. Baby Champ is in the building looking at the charts out here, and he's appreciative for all the fiat that's being thrown at us. I appreciate all you maniacs. Thanks a lot out there, Special Ed Andrew, another sniper there in the foxholes, dropping fiat on us. Marlon Jones, Bulls on the box. Boomers, kill your Google Chrome browser and start using Brave browser. I've been using the Opera browser, okay? And apparently the Opera browser allows crypto plugins. You know, I haven't used them, but you could see when I show you guys Coin Market Cap, and let me take out the fiat, it blocks out all the ads. So, you know, I like using that. I haven't used Brave browser, but I should. You're right. I should. I'm going to test it out on one of the next live stream and see how it compares to the Opera browser. But I like using the Opera browser because it takes out most ads, and it has a VPN as well, a free VPN. If you're just tuning in, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero gaining weight and headed northward, ? I came across this article there on coindesk.com. It's linked down below. Bitcoin price looks north after passing 6.4K resistance, teasing a decent bullish move, have cleared crucial resistance in a few hours, says this article here by Omkar Godbol. Or Godboli. The leading crypto moved past 64 earlier today, signaling the bearish exhaustion. The bears are exhausted out there. They don't have the stamina that the bulls have out here. Guys like Special Ed, guys like Marlon Jones, guys like Dolphin134 out there, and the rest of the boomers in the box. They don't have the stamina like the guys that we have here, like Mike Pfeiffer, like Sprinkler Ninja. The little baby bear cubs, they seem to be exhausted. Notably, the positive price action was preceded by a solid defense by their boomers here in the box. Long-term trend line connecting June low to August 11th low and upside break of symmetrical triangle. Let's get to the bottom line here. Let's see if what's the long-term view here. So the view says the bullish price action on the hourly and daily chart indicates Bitcoin could test the 10-week moving average of 68.47 in a day or two. Okay, so they're saying that we may be at 68 in a day or two, and I believe that. I believe that. Bearish moving averages may slow down the pace of the bullish move, but are unlikely to derail the corrective move higher. Unlikely to derail the corrective move higher. So, guys, it smells like a possible boomer out there, and you got to be ready for these, market switch-ups. It looks like at the beginning of the week it was doom and gloom. People on the forum started giving up. I don't know if I was questioning. I was like, "You guys still with me out there? Are you guys still alive out there?" And as soon as that happened, things started going a little bit green. Let's see how long this will maintain out there. Seems like Champ needs an Elastos node internet. Yeah, my internet's been horrible out there. I think I got to call these people or whatnot. It's just in the past couple, like 2 to 3 weeks, it's been very bad. So I got to get it, on and popping. I have my eyes on Stellar, says Mike. They gotta be the next on Coinbase. I'm thinking them and BAT. Okay. Some people said 0x. Some people said Cardano, but BAT and Stellar are on that list as well. Brave is great. I'm also bullish on BAT, says Sprinkler. Okay. Yeah, me too, Ninja. I added the bag yesterday. It's got too much going for it not to be a big cap, says Mike. All right. Damn Champ, you're one of the few that pronounce my last name right. Everyone is always jacking it up. All right. Champ is not the most smooth on the microphone here, the most articulate, but hopefully I'm pronouncing things right. And if I'm not, excuse me. I'm glad I did though. If you're just tuning in, the voice here, just making sure that I'm feeding off this positive energy out there. We have Special Ed Andrew dropped a little bit of fiat there in the super chat. We had Mike Pfeiffer dropped a little bit of fiat there in the super chat. I'm here with Baby Champagne. He's excited looking at the trend lines here. And, we just want to feed off the positive energy out there. Make sure you're following us there on steemit.com. I got all the videos posted, and I invite you to drop a little comment. I know the prices. Let's look at the price of Steem. The price of Steem has been kind of bleeding out, but it's worth to be on the networks just to stick it to Facebook and the gram out there. 74 cents, up 11% today. Okay, that's good. That's all right. It's a good deal under $1, I would say. It's a good deal under $1. If you're just tuning in, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero gaining weight and headed northward. I'm going to take a few more questions, comments before I tune out a little early today. I got the young one out here. He wants to play. He's throwing things around, so it's all good. What's up, Champ? Shalom in the house. Keep those stops tight. I see you, Shalom. Another sniper. Good morning. Shalom was tuning in. See the day ones out there. Shalom, Bit Papa, Mike Pfeiffer, Sprinkler Ninja. Marlon Jones, Dolphin 134. The energy's right out there. Don't let them tell you that it's going to 3,000 or 4,000, guys. Don't believe the hype out there. These little clowns coming on the internets here, and they just want to throw negativity. We're not believing them. We're not believing them. All right, guys. If there's no more comments or questions, I'm going to go ahead and chop it up with the Baby Champ here. He's, like I said, he's up and ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, guys. I'll give it a couple more seconds for a comment or a question. If not, I'll tune out. All right. Shalom. Have a great morning. Mike, have a great morning. Bit Papa, a great morning. Crip Zillionaire, I see you. Sprinkler Ninja, I see you. Special Ed, thank you. Mike, thanks again. Dolphin 134, I see you guys. Maybe I'll come back earlier, come back up today. Come back on the networks. I've been wanting to do some videos like on self-improvement out there, what we've been eating, the different diets out there, because I think it's important to sharpen the blade here on the off season out there. Crypto, as long as it's trading sideways, we got to make sure that we're doing other things to stay up, keep pressing, keep the resistance up. Maybe I'll do something like that. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do it live? Should I give you a short video? I'm paying attention there to the comments there, but I want to provide more content than just the daily live stream. And maybe we'll do another live stream that, has to do with something else. Let me know what you guys think about that. Marlon says Dash, E, and Elastos. Peace to Special Ed. Peace to Sprinkler Ninja. And the rest of them. Peace out, champ. Enjoy that little one. I have 11th Monero. He's into everything, says Mike. Yeah, shout out to the young dads out there, the crypto dads out there, with the young boomers out there. I definitely send my positive energy to you guys. Put family first, indeed. Family first, indeed. All right, guys. Drop a comment there about the extra content. Maybe I'll back on later on today. Let's see about that. But I definitely, I'm inspired to do more content for you guys, more than just a daily live stream. So let me know what you would like to see, if you would like more long form content or shorter videos or whatnot. Drop it there in the comments. But I'm going to go ahead and stop streaming, guys. Everybody have a good day, and hopefully I'll come back today, if not tomorrow. Keep booming out there. It's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's biggest cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.